Pandemonium is showtime. Just waiting on everything to go out. What's good, everybody? So what we're gonna do today is first I'm gonna turn this shit down. There we go. Let's turn that shit down. So we're gonna write a loader, but instead of using like basic shit, we're gonna make it so it only takes assembly and runs it inline, and we're gonna do it in Python to really piss everybody off. What's good, everybody? So the first thing we need to do is test a couple things. Let's do. So in order to run shit in Python, assembly in Python inline, you can do something like this, and this should return like 43, I think. Yeah. So then we could do. Let's do 99. That should be negative. Okay. Let's do 02 should be 44. Yes. So we can run. Technically, we can run a buffer of assembly in Python. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a way to do this, and then we're going to create a way to read assembly code, take it, compile it on the system, and then create the object file, grab the assembly out of the object file, run that, and then delete the file. It's going to be pretty fucking cool. We're going to do it on Linux because it's easier. I don't want to do it on Windows, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. So first, we need to let's just make a fucking library for it. Coder. Types. How's everybody doing? We're gonna make it a class for a loader. No, let's not make it a class. Def execute. Some execute shellcode. Code. We're gonna need a pointer, a buffer. Okay, we'll just make the buffer in here. Good, making coffee. How's your day been? Oh, it's been good, man. It's only fucking 10 o'clock here, so I got my wife's texting me. Those are nice. Yeah, it's been good. I just got to work, so not bad. MMMap. MMMap. One. Page size. Read. Let's just fucking copy this. Fuck it. Read. The hard part about this might be loading the file. I don't know how we're gonna successfully load it. I think we'll probably use NASM and just like copy NASM over and then build it when we're writing it, build it in memory, and then execute it. That might work. F-type. Type stat. cfunc. CNS. Okay. Pointer. From buffer. Okay. Now void is then right. What is this? Duplicate. Oh, yeah. Okay. Code. Dot. Void. Let's see if we can do this. Let's take this and do 0. And then let's pass. Let's take this. And let's build this from it real quick. So, let's do oops. Okay. Let's do maximum dash. Okay, we have the object file, right? Yep, okay. Dismiss. Okay, now let's fucking open the object file and run it that way. Coder, import, execute shellcode, shellcode, open. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? O RB.read, execute shellcode, shellcode. This might, yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. Okay, so let's copy the fucking thing from the Bible and see if we can get that to run. Where is it? Let's do this one. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Run. Yeah, fuck. Okay, so this is gonna be a lot harder. Just dealing with JavaScript question. I'm good, man. Yeah, JavaScript's kind of a fucking nightmare in that. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought it'd be. So, bytes, that's fine. Um, void. None. C types. C byte. C dot. God damn it. C. We're gonna probably do it. I don't think we can use none. None. Let's try none. C types dot CNN. 1. Segmentation fault still. Okay. Should fucking fail. Here. Yeah, it should fail right there. Okay. So we can do it here. This is where I got the idea from this one. So this will print 42. Blah 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 blah. So how can we do a C font type without arguments? We're using 3.8. So font type. Res type. Oh, it's the results type. Okay. Okay. Results types. Arg types. So it should be no. What does this do again? Hello world. It should be a string. Dot C C C. Maybe it's a char. I don't know. Find out. Segfault. No. Dot C byte. Um. Alright. Let's do it. This is why people don't write fucking malware in Python. Because that's doesn't fucking work. Shadow. No, probably read, probably write, probably check. C type, C byte. No arguments. C's learn that. I know C types, it's just this is a whole other fucking beast. We're gonna take assembly code, compile it in there, and then run it directly in the file. So the problem is that this assembly code returns something different, and the other one's going to return something different. So if I could take the assembly code and always have it return a fucking number, that might be easier to do. Here, let's go ahead and fucking go to grab x86 and have a, oh shit. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Fuck off. Why is it all fucking... Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do a hello world real quick. Because that will... That should be a string. Char buffer. Is that a string or a buffer? Bytes or buffer? Byte, string, or buffer? Here. C type. Let's just go fucking look at the docs. When font type. Okay. C font type. Great type for callback functions. Yes, C type for function. Great type for callback. Hey. No shit. You can use it as a decorator? Hold on. What? Okay. Res type. Any. That's fucking cool. Okay. Res type argument sequence is special argument types. Okay. None. C times. Dot. C care. Okay. Let's try that. That's fucking cool. I didn't know we could do that. So C types C care. C care. Okay. Segmentation fault. Okay, what if we did it? Yeah. Custom values. Don't care about that. Okay, let's see. Rows on C sign character data. Points to zero. Alright, let's try that. Let's see. Okay. Still seg faulting. Why is it seg faulting though? Size. C type, so C void. C bool. Calling without arm, it's a null object. Okay, so there's no reason it should be seg faulting. What if we take all this? Then it was not defined. Okay. Seg fault. So everything works until I get the results. So C void from buffer. Address of F pointer. So why? Maybe if I go. I wonder if I did it like this instead. Okay. LD. I don't want to LD yet. That's fine. I don't care about that. Let's do. Let's try something different. Yeah, this should work. This is fine. 44. Okay, so what if I take away the argument? Okay, so I need to. This is gonna be a fucking nightmare. Okay, so I need to. Let's go ahead and try this real quick. That's what I fucking thought. Okay, let's do. Hang on 1 second. So, movie here, blah 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 blah. Let's copy that over. Copy that over. And ret. Okay, and let's do. Okay, so if I read it from a file, I think it's because the file is. I think it's because it's an L file. I think that's why. So, let's do. Dump. Symbol table. That's fine. Let's do this. Oh, wait, it's just D. Yeah, okay. So, I'm gonna have to take the raw assembly and then figure out how to put it into fucking shellcode. Okay, great. Oh my god, it's gonna be. Because if I go like this, then I take the raw fucking assembler, and I do x89 slash x f8 slash x83 c0 slash x oh 01 slash x c3, and then I run it. It should work. It's gonna this is gonna suck fucking dick, dude. Okay. How to go to assembly program shellcode correctly. Okay. So I don't care about that. I don't care about that. How to go to shuffle a readable assembly code. Okay. That's not right. Checking and converting to shellcode. You can't. Ugh. What is this? Oh, that's sketchy. Okay, let's try it this way. How can I take? I need to. This kind of fucking suck. How can I convert raw assembly instructions into shellcode? That's the question. How can I successfully convert raw assembly into shellcode? You know what I could do? I actually have an idea. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, I'll build def object dump oh man the object file. Okay, let's try that. Import. Okay, and oh shit. Dash D. Okay, what about doing just the .text section? Private. Disassemble dash D D.text. No. Source. Archive headers disassemble. How to disassemble one single function using object now. GDB. Disassemble. Section name. dash J dot text. Okay. Dash J dash J dot text dash D. Okay. Dash J. Okay. And let's go. Data equals string find -1. That's what I thought. Okay, so that find so start and string text. Start index. I'm not supposed to play this song, huh? That's a good song. Start index. The start index should not be negative fucking 1. What the fuck? Dot check output. Okay, there we go. 68. Okay. Results equals string proc start 1. Okay. That should be right. Yes. Okay. For parts. A split. There we go. Now. Okay, so code 0. That should be it, right? Yeah. Okay. Sweet. All right. So shellcode is equals off x code shellcode. item encode. Um, that's that should work. Yeah, boy. Okay. Okay. So execute shellcode. Shellcode. Let's do coder. Let's see. C types. Let's see. String. Code. Code bytes. Code equals bytes. String argument without encoding. Dot decode. Segmentation. Motherfucking piece of. Okay. Let's go back to here. Copy this over real quick. Let's put that in here. Let's remove this buffer. Create the code buffer. This should work. Should. No, why the fuck? Okay. So. Run code. Run code. Maybe? No. 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 Turn string into byte into shellcode. Ooh, that might work better. Let's go back to convert shellcode and do it a different way. Okay, let's try that. -1. Okay. So how did he do that? Output bytes. capstone, maybe. You need to compile and all repairs. I want to disassemble. How do I convert this song up? Shellcraft? I'm trying to do it embedded in Python. I'm not going to use any other types of libraries or fucking anything else. It's going to be straight Python embedded into it. So it's going to be a motherfucking nightmare. I'm not using other libraries. It's going to be straight Python embedded. It's going to be a fucking absolute terrible, terrible thing. It seemed so easy in my head, but now I'm looking at it and trying to do it, and I just want to fucking shoot myself. So much Shellcraft. I might be able to use that still. I see. No. Okay. Templates. Breakpoint functions. Memcopy. Function. Hello. EX. Exit. Notes. Registered. Okay. So then. Under make function. The hardest part about this is going to be taking. So here's the problem. If you read it from a file, you get a segfault, okay? But if I do it raw, I take the raw fucking shellcode and then I put it in there, it'll work. So if I go like this, and I take this raw fucking shellcode, and I just do this, go like this, and put it in there, this will work just fine, okay? So watch. See, this works just fine. And then if we edit this to 4, edit it to 2, this works just fine. But if I read it from a file, dump the file sections and shit, I need to take that. I need to take the text section. So I have to take one section, take that text section, convert it into shellcode, and then put it into this and hope it doesn't fucking, and hope it works. But the problem is that when I dump a file and I go like this, I get this, okay? This isn't shellcode. This is invalid shellcode. This won't work. So I wonder. Replace. If I just took this fucking shit and I went like this. I would get this, okay? Which is fine. That's fine. That's beautiful and perfect and I love it and all that good shit. But now I have to take that and convert it to readable, usable shellcode. So in order to do that, I would need to take this shit, convert it into a fucking byte string. Hmm. Wonder if ChatGPT would know. Let's find out. How could I take a string of symbol object file and convert the symbol hex decimal codes into shellcode? For example, I'm gonna laugh my ass off if ChatGPT figures it out. For example, from this, I would expect the string to be a byte string containing this. 9, 8, 3, X, 01. Hey, what's up, man? Cool. Glad you're here. Glad to see you. I love you. Format should convert the X prefix in a byte. Okay. That's what I'm having trouble with. Converting the X prefix byte string. Okay, that's that's a little over the top. The hex pattern regex. So shellcode plus equals B in hex bytes. I don't care about that. So that's not a byte string. I can't use that. Use that as a byte string. Inline in Python assembly. For example, I want to take the disassembled symbol shellcode string and pass it to a function that runs it inline. The function looks like this. God damn it, ChatGPT is about to fucking not know because it's useless. Dynamically generate the byte string or write in mmap instead of hard coding it like an example. No, there's no fucking way this is gonna work. There's no fucking way it's that easy. Hang on. You know, dynamically generate the byte string and write it into that map buffer instead of hard coding it like in your example. What do you mean instead of hard coding it? Oh, I get what it's saying. Okay. Init B16. Oh, okay. I fucking get it. I think I get it. Okay. So init B16. Okay. Let's go back here. Oh. Byte array. It's fine. Then, do you extend it or append to it? I think I'm pretty sure you extend byte arrays. Shellcode dot extend. Yeah, extend. Extend. Init. Item piece. Shellcode dot append. Extend. Init. Item 16. What the fuck are you talking about? Hex pattern search. I don't care about that part. Lines and match head. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, that won't work. Dots. Code. And 16. Yeah, that's not gonna work. What the fuck are you talking about? Item dot code. Byte array B. Some dick. I'm actually writing it on LinkedIn, Twitter, fucking Twitch, and YouTube. So my entire job is malware, bro. So this is gonna be a fucking nightmare, though, for real. As soon as I get this done, it'll be really easy to continue. But this part's gonna be fucking hard because I don't understand what the fuck they're talking about here. This doesn't work. Once again, you're wrong, ChatGPT, you fucking idiots. Wait, maybe they're not wrong. Hang on. Okay, let's go ahead and see what they fucking say. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Hang on. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Maybe I'm an idiot. I'm pretty sure it's not me though. When I run it, it's gonna make you say, "Wow, what are you trying to do?" Okay, so I'm making a loader basically, but I'm writing in Python to really piss everybody off. But I'm gonna take it so that you can take the disassembly of a text section in a fucking file, and then write whatever you want in it, and take that disassembly, convert it into shellcode, and run it directly in Python. Okay? So, for example, here, right here, if we go like this is literally just adding. Okay? So it'll add this number here to 42. So that answer right there will be 43. So if we go like that, 43. Then 4, 46, etc., etc. So you can run assembly directly in Python, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to use something similar to this, pass the code to the argument, and run it directly. And then we're gonna build the file on their side, um, convert it to shellcode, delete the file, run it directly, and just do it from there. It's gonna be really fucking cool when it's done, but it's gonna be a nightmare to finish. So maybe I'm the one who's wrong. So let's find out if ChatGPT is smarter than me. So right now I'm going to do it for Linux, for L files. Eventually I'll convert it over to Windows, but the problem with Windows is you have to do virtual proc and virtual alloc and shit like that, and then we got to convert that over and blah 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 blah. So we'll get to that after we're done with this one. What the fuck are you sending? Oh, good thing you matched, huh? Okay, so this what they're doing is working, but they aren't very good at this whole fucking regular expression thing. So let's make a regex for it. Um, print results. Probably here. Hang on, let me read that. I don't know the L form, but it sounds like you just need to go to the text section out of the L binary and send the section to execute. Okay, but the problem, yes, that's exactly what we're doing. But the problem is, when you take an ELF section out of a file using Python, it converts it to a string and not a byte string, okay? So we need to take that byte string, make it shellcode. We need to take the assembly, turn it into shellcode, and go from there. We can't just take the entire text section and go from there. It won't work that way. You have to disassemble this text section, grab the assembly out of it, or the hex code out of it for the assembly, assembly instructions, and then convert it into shellcode, and then run that specific shellcode. Does that make sense? So, for example, let me. No, it won't work if you read it in bytes. It'll segfault. We already tried that. So, for example, let me show you. Okay, so test ISO. This is just adding. Okay, so now if we take that and we do run and we get this right here, okay, we'll get all this good data, blah 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 blah. Okay, so what we have to do is we'll take these right here and we'll convert these into shellcode and then execute them in, because if we take the whole thing, it'll segfault the entire system. It'll not the system, it'll segfault this. So let's do it your way real quick. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We'll go like this, and we'll just extract the shellcode. Let me just extract that one section. Extract text section. File name. Open. File name. Read. Now let's do index equals searcher.find Oh, no, let's do data, dot find, searcher, print, index. Here, we'll do it your way real quick. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Convert shellcode import. Well, safe lock would be because machine code you're running is referring to something that isn't there because that's just yeah, that's not how that works. I get what you're saying, but you can't take the entire text section and just execute it like that. It won't work. We already tried that earlier. Okay, and what's the next section out of that? Okay, so let's go. What's the next section out of this fucking file? Hang on a second. I think it's just a text section. Yeah. Position independent, right on portrait, to be honest. Yeah, no, that's. You're thinking of it in different terms. It's not gonna work, trust me. Hex code. Okay, hex code. Result here. So we have the full thing. Let's do wrap our results. Okay, so we have the text section right there, right? We can agree that that's the full text section, yes or no? Index plus len searcher. There, we got rid of text. Okay, text section right there, right? Now let's pass that to execute results. And it should work the same way. No, it won't. It's just gonna seg fault over and over and over. I'm just converting, I'm just using the text section from anything. So for example, all this will do is make a text section. So you can't take a full file, it won't work. You can't just execute a binary. I don't know why it won't work, it just won't work. So it's just not gonna work. I don't fucking know. So what we have to do is we have to take the object dump of that specific part here, convert this shit, and then execute it. Hopefully that will work. I don't know if it will or not, but it might. So I'm willing to bet that it probably will. You want to execute as that start of the second section. Now, dude. Okay, so anyways, that won't work. We already tried that. I just literally showed you. So, object dump. Print res. Because what you post a bunch of null bytes of this. Yeah, exactly. Because that's the text section. The text section has null bytes. That's how text sections work. So, this is the entire text section of the fucking file. Right here, right? This whole thing. So, no, that is the text section. That's literally the text section. See? Short stab, all that good shit. Yeah, it starts with 89. You're right, but this is the text section of the file. That's how files work. Just because the disassembly of it shows that doesn't mean that's what's in there. That's not what you can read from it. Does that make sense? Yeah, text is a header. It's a file header. It's a text section of the file. Or it's not a file header, it's the section of the file. Already match. How are we gonna do this? Let's fuck off with this real quick. Lines. Okay. For line pieces. Equal line dot split. Pieces. Let's do this first. Lines. Like that. And fine. Zero. Fuck me. Assembly. Yeah, you're not wrong, man, but it just won't work here, and I don't know why it won't work. It's probably because it's fucking Python. It's because you're trying to parse the text output of the object. It's because you're trying to parse the text output of object. Huh? No, that's not what I'm trying to do. No, 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 no. You're missing the entire point. Um, so parsing the text output of the object dump is what we want to do. Because we want to pass the code to a buffer for C types and then fucking execute it, okay? So we want to hide the shellcode in the text section of an object file. Send over the object file, decode the text section, take all that assembly, convert it straight to shellcode, and then execute it directly. Does that make sense? Do you understand what I'm saying? Equals check output. Well, if you're doing this, it's literally just a fucking object file. There's no special output or special type. All you have to do is convert it to object, disassemble the object, and that's what you get. Because the text section is the fucking executable format. So, there you go. Maybe I'm not understanding what you're saying. It's an ELF file, dude. It's literally just an ELF file. Here. That's all it is. There's your text. It's just an object file. No, we're not executing L files. We're executing straight shellcode, straight assembly. We're just gonna hide it as an L file. Maybe later. Okay, so I'm not doing it in other tools. I'm doing it straight in Python. That's the entire point of it. Otherwise, it would be too easy. The entire point is to make this absolutely ridiculously hard to do. Mostly because I don't have anything to do and I'm fucking bored. But, you know, that's a different story. Hold up. Easy isn't as fun as challenging and ridiculously stupid to do. You know what I mean? That decode. I wonder if I decoded it. Okay, so searcher. Plus. There we go. That should be better. Okay. Now. Okay. Pieces. Okay. Let's do. Piece. What do you mean outside of function? If piece doesn't equal. Hang on. Can you give me a link on controller? Link to what? Oh, yeah. No, no sweat. Control your friend doing what? I don't think that's right. Are you asking me if I'm going to release it? Is that what you're asking? Oh, shit. That should work. Yeah. Okay. No. Yeah, I'll probably release it. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Oh shit, it worked. Okay. I guess. I'm just stupid. Holy fuck, you're joking. Okay, let's do 10. See? Okay, there. See, it works. Hang on, let me catch up to this real quick. Well, if you want to get rid of object dump, you can parse self binary itself. The spec is online, and parsing binary formats is basically music. Sir, I wrote Malcore. I know how to parse binary formats. It's all good. This works actually really well. And I might get rid of it afterwards. Because right now I just want to get a proof of concept and do it on Linux. So I might get rid of it afterwards, which is probably a good idea. But for now, I think if we just did it with object dump and made a POC for Linux and kept going, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? I don't know. Yeah, so I want to make the POC for Linux, but I think you're right. If I did it parsing the format exactly, well, no, it would probably be better to do it parsing the format. You're right. It would be better to do it parsing the format directly, but in order, the POC, I don't want to fucking have to write an entire elf parser right now. I think, I think that would suck. You're right that it would be cool, but I think it would, I think it would suck to write an entire elf parser right now. The fact that we actually got this to work is kind of cool though. So, ChatGPT knows more than me, I guess. That fucking. I do too, but fuck, dude. When I wrote the fucking PE parser for Malcore, it took me like weeks to just get it to do it right. That's a fake form. You need to go outside, dude. Okay, so this is working. That's cool. I love it. See? And then we can convert it to whatever we want. Let's convert this to 100 real quick. Boom. That's cool. Okay, now we need to be able to fucking. What if we added to the end of it? What if we just. Here, let's do. Um, simple hello world. And x86 is. Um. Oh. Small. Let's do like a. Shellstone. Let's do a storm slash. That's x86. 24 bytes. That's not bad. I bet you this doesn't work. I don't want to do that though. Execute bin sh. Okay. Yeah, the problem with these formats is that there's so many variables you have to. Here, let me catch up real quick. Sorry. Oh, these formats, there's so many variables you have to account for in parsing. Oh, dude, fucking execute. Have you tried to parse the mini dump format yet for Windows? It's a nightmare. It's a here. I'll fucking show you. Hang on. I'm gonna show you some Malware code real quick. Just relax. Yeah, it's a shit show. Let me find it. Archive, doc, dump files. Okay, so these are just the streams that you can get out of it. Just the streams. Okay? Half of these aren't even fucking done yet. So this is literally just streams. Okay? It's a fucking nightmare. An absolute nightmare to parse. Yeah, it's. I've been I've been parsing it for like, I think, 3 months now, trying to get it to work. Egg Hunter shellcode. We can just do an Egg Hunter real quick. I don't want to do Egg Hunter. I don't know how to write an Egg Hunter. I don't want to run anything stupid. Okay, so let's just simple hello world. Let's just do this. Let's do. Let's see if we can fucking do this or not. We might be able to. I don't know if this will work like I think it will, though. I don't think it will work like I'm thinking it's going to. I think this is just gonna fucking blow up. This will probably just. Huh? Let's index out of range. You look someone who would scam little kids or old people. Me? Yeah, I like scamming children and old people. We might just put it there. If the hello world isn't stored in text, it might just be. It'll just store it. By default, assembly will make a text section for you. You can clip that. I don't give a fuck. Um, print lines. Why are you not making malware is a better question. File format. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay. Search. Search. Find all results. No. Forgot to close it off. bad. Let's do fuck. Mario McMauer. Skip it. Okay, so let's go back through the malware one more time. So we're writing a loader, and we're writing in Python to piss all of you off. And we're going to take that fucking loader and execute shellcode directly in line in Python. Okay? So you can execute shellcode in Python by doing something like this. You write the code here, run it, blah, blah, blah. It'll do what it needs to do. Okay? So, yeah, so if you're. It's just malware, man. Just enjoy the fucking malware. Just enjoy malware. Malware's great. 1 second. Um. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyways, damn, there's a lot of people watching right now. Y'all need to calm down. As for this fucking thing, how am I gonna do this? Splitter index. Print. Fine. Splitter index. 6. Okay. Then let's do source equals fine. Fine. Splitter index. Maybe 1. Plus 2, maybe? Okay. Segmentation font. Bypassing your system and nice. Oh, great. Experiences bypassing. Experiences bypassing. I'm writing this for fun. I'm not gonna get into bypassing ADR and shit. Sorry, bro. Fuck me. Yep. Let's try getting rid of the actual message and just doing random shit with this. We did something. Okay. Okay. So we can call shit as long as it ends with addition. We can do whatever the fuck we want, which is cool. So we always have to end with this. Because if we go like this, I don't even have the plugins for fucking assembly. Fuck. So if we go like this, it'll work. 142. That's fine. So as long as we end with assembly, we should be fine. As long as we end with addition, we should be okay. Because then we can go like this, then run it, and we'll. Just some weird shit, but you know, whatever. Huh. That's kind of cool. Interesting. That is kind of fucky, isn't it? You know, this might this might just turn into something else at this point. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. extend. Isn't that's kind of weird? Let's see if we can. Okay. That's GCC. I don't have GBB on here. Fuck. Do I have Valgrind? No. I don't want to get into that. No. Nope. Nope. Not go. Nope. 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 We're gonna. We're just gonna continue. We're gonna pretend like that never happened. We're gonna continue. Nope. Not going there right now. Okay. Um. I'm gonna go ahead and back this file up real quick. Copy. Copy. Okay. 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 So we're gonna go ahead and back that file up, and just we'll look at that later. We'll look at that later. It's all good now. Right now it's fine. We don't need to look at it. Yep. Okay. So this works. Okay. So it works. As long as we end with this, it'll be just fine. Let's see if we can run. Some shell code. Blah blah blah. Don't care. Oh my god. Why do they always do this? Arguments. Let's call current. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's see if this will work. It might. Can I not? Yeah, I can't do that here. So. Start to shell code. Results. Append. Okay. Son of a bitch. Here, let's just do this. We'll just cheat right now. And we're gonna go like this. And see if I can blow up my computer or not. 122. Pieces. Hmm. Let's see. Hotline. Damn it, motherfucking piece of shit. Okay. God, this is gonna be fucking hard. So... Uh, there we go. God, it's gonna be so, like, finicky on what can be run and what can't be run. It's gonna suck. Shit, shit, shit. And I don't know. It's gonna be hard to fucking fix that kind of shit, so. Oh, you piece of shit. Okay. We're just gonna do something else. Okay, let's try in it CX80 and see what we can get. What do you mean it's out of range? Okay, so the object dump. Let's try. Find that. Find error. Error. Proc. Okay. Find. $77. Okay. That should do what I think it's gonna do. Rock. Index. One. Negative one. Finder. Section. Section name. Section. Plus one. There we go. Okay. That should fix some things. Okay. Okay. So, we have to have this here. Well, we don't have to, but in order to fix it, I have to take the shellcode and I have to figure out C types and shit like that. And I don't want to fucking do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it like this as like a fucking, oh, it just does a addition. And then, and then up here, we're going to do whatever the fuck we want to do. So I think what I want to try is, fuck that guy. I want to try this and see if I can get it to fucking execute what I want it to execute. Okay. It's running it. That's good. That's good. So it does run it. So we can do whatever the fuck we want up here, as long as we have the addition at the end. What if I did? How do you make a fucking message? Hang on. Message DB hello world. Okay. DB hello world. Length equals. Yeah. And let's do Moody X. I gotta move this real quick so I can look at it. Give me a second, everybody. Move CX message. Move EX1. Move EX4. Okay. One minute. X80. Ah, it's egg faulted. Fuck. Okay, so oh yeah, it does that weird thing. Okay, so I can do whatever the fuck I want as long as I have and I'm not printing anything. Okay. That's really cool. Okay. So, how long are we doing? Okay. Yeah, I got some other shit I gotta do today, so we're gonna cut the stream right here for now. Tomorrow we'll continue it. I was supposed to be doing the hardware streaming today, but I couldn't get my fucking camera to turn on. So, for now, we're gonna continue this malware tomorrow. So, thanks everybody for watching. I'll catch y'all later. I love you all. See you guys. Peace.